serious cases of LGBT cases in courts. Among stakeholders. And she was like, not really confused, they don't have the records before them. So that's really an issue. If CSOs or response systems in KANO State are having issues of LGBT cases before them, and the courts are not seeing them as it is, then you realize that there is a particular breaking point which we also need to address.
And as Fatima has said also, the issue of this harmonized verb is also an issue that has been there for a very long period of time. Up to now, even though the ministry are not around and they are not with us today, but I think we need them to be here. And as Fatima rightly said, even if they are not around today, we will still follow them where they are to see that at least let this harmonized verb.
It is an honor and a privilege to represent the KANO State Chief Judge, Honorable Justice DJ Aboki, and stand before you today on the occasion of the 2024 International Women's Day, a day that resonates with the global pursuit of gender equity and the empowerment of women. With support from the Rule of Law and Anti-Corruption Program alongside the steadfast dedication of Fida-KANO, we gather here to commemorate this significant day under the theme Invest in Women, Accelerate Progress. FIDA Nigeria, as we all know, is a non-governmental, non-profit organization comprised of dedicated women lawyers, has been a steadfast force in advocating for the rights and welfare of women and children. Our core objectives is to enhance and promote a society where every individual lives free from discrimination, violence, and abuse, resonates deeply with the principle that guides the pursuit of justice within our legal system. Our state government's commitment to providing protection for women and children through dedicated agencies and ministries ensures the effective implementation of laws and policies is highly commendable. It reflects a shared dedication to building a just and equitable society. I celebrate with you Happy Women's Day. The day is ours. Let's celebrate it. And we thank God we have achieved a lot despite all the challenges, and we still need to do more to advocate so that we can achieve more and invest in our women. Once you invest in women, you invest in the society, you invest in the community, you alleviate the suffering of that particular family and the community as well. Thank you.
The issue of women, particularly in rural areas, is pathetic, sympathetic. Therefore, we will continue to do all we can to support equity, to support justice for women, and to have a better living conditions for women, either in the umbrella of marriage or in whatever circumstance that women need protection.
Unattended cases lying down at various correctional centers. All these are issues that FIDA as an organization, yes, we have heard what you are doing through various media. We have been hearing your continuous visit to correctional centers and other places. So I would equally like to urge you to double off your efforts, because you are doing quite a very good effort in doing all these things.
And at the same time, the ministry engaged in a series of meetings with our stakeholders on how to go forward with regard to the implementation of this child protection law in the state. There are so many ongoing activities that will come up, inshallah. And within this year, we hope we will see changes with our stakeholders as a backup too, and the political will too.
You know, the issue of women, as today they are celebrating, or we are celebrating the Women's Day, is a very important in our life. As a man, we know we cannot live without women, and we have to support them totally, absolute support toward their development and achievements. That's why we are here.
This is to celebrate International Women's Day, which is done globally on the 8th of March of every year. So, since the mandate of our association is to protect, preserve the rights of women and children, it is part of our activities to celebrate the success and achievement of women in our society, and also to go through the challenges they are facing with a view to find some solutions or resolution that will help us overcome it in the subsequent years to come. So basically concerning this year celebration, we are happy, alhamdulillah. Women are coming on board. You can see for the first time we are having the first CJ as a woman in KANO State, and she is doing wonderfully, transforming the judiciary, doing so many things that is helping, innovative activities that is promoting justice and access to justice to common man. We are proud of her, we are praying for her, we wish her all the best, and today we are also celebrating 5 of the judges, out of 9 judges sworn in today. 5 are women and 3 are even Fidians. So we are all, alhamdulillah, we are happy. It's a sign of our progress women are attaining in their life. But besides that, we have some other challenges. We have child protection law that was passed into law, but the implementation is yet on the slow mode. Although yesterday there was a meeting that was trying to see the proper implementation, but we are going to discuss more on how this child protection law can become a matter of reality so that the people can achieve, can benefit from it and will be aware of it. And VAV law is important, but yet it has not been domesticated in KANO. So we are a part of our celebration. We are going to discuss issues. Why is it that it has not yet been demonstrated? And we liaison with the key stakeholders like CJ. Because of this swearing in, she was not, but her representative is here. She had already heard our voice concerning the passage of this law and domestication of and the AG. Also domestication of beside domestication, there was a need for designated court for GVV, of which it has become so wild in KANO State as a result of lack of speedy trial and a cumbersome procedure for proving the case, which is very expensive and very difficult for a common man. As a result of that, the society is so loose, it has now been losing its values in terms of GVV, especially in the areas of indigent people. So we are using this opportunity to celebrate and also to overview some of these challenges with a way of providing solutions to it. So my message to the people is, woman is great. She is an asset. So the theme of this program is invest in women for a speed accelerated progress. So once you want the society to progress, invest on a woman. A woman is an asset. So please, each and every one of us should respect a woman, should value her, and give her opportunity to attain progress in life.